Okay, so the weather has not changed. Look at how low these damn clouds are. I could hit that. Hit that up. We're gonna go now?
Hey, Papa.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, love
you. Love you too. It's seriously that gorgeous that it almost feels fake. Have a gig. Hey buddy, you're a weird bird. The place is absolutely gorgeous. This trip has been one of the best nature trips I've been on probably in my life. So many cool mountains and stuff. Crazy. And look how low the clouds are. I think I said it before, but look, they are low. And we would do the Arthur's Pass trail, but the weather's horrible, and I don't think any of us can be bothered. So the sign said, "Don't feed the birds," and that's the only thing that Jordan did. Now, how I said we weren't going to do a hike, I lied once again. But you know, the unplanned. I don't do it on purpose. I'm sorry. Welcome to our unexpected journey, because I did not expect this one. What was that? What? Okay, did I hear right? Was that travel montage? Okay, just because you want.
I'm just riding till I die. Do this summer. I'm just riding till I die. Do this summer.
Once again, these videos do not compare a little bit to how good it looks in real life. That is huge. How high up do you reckon that is? That's a solid, I guess, 200 meters up right there. More. 300. That is huge.
I'm just riding till I die. Do this summer. I'm just riding till I die. Do this summer. I'm just riding till I die. Do this summer. I'm just riding till I die.
Finally, here in Greymouth, after one long ass drive. You know, we're just here for the night. One of the best road trips I've ever had. So scenic and beautiful. New Zealand, thumbs up for you there. But for weather, thumbs down. Forever and ever. And the rest of my night should be pretty boring, so I might end the vlog here.
I'm just riding till I die.